All right, so the first question on the practice PARCC test asks us to figure out the width. What is the width of a rug? And it gives you the area and the length. And so you have to kind of fill in a missing piece in this case. And they're not asking you to do what normally you would think of this as an algebra problem with multiplying by a multiplicative inverse or setting one variable over. Instead, we're just trying to use reasoning to fill in the blank. So what you want to set up is the formula that I'm sure you know very well is the area formula for any rectangle. And so that would be here, area equals length times width. And then the numbers that we're given, we're going to fill them right in. So let's see here. We have 35/4 square meters for the area, and the length is 7/2. So we have 35/4 is your area, which equals 7/2 times some unknown number. And the best way to think about this is just to imagine that there is some fraction that you can multiply 7/2 times to get you that 35/4. So you're thinking kind of backwards. Normally you would do the length times the width equals the area. But you're asking yourself, well, the length times what width would give me this area? So you need to have some number up here and some number up here. These are just question marks to hold their place. Of course, they could be variables. And so because this is just multiplying across fractions, you just multiply across the numerators and multiply across the denominators. 7 times what is 35? And hopefully we should be able to get that pretty quickly. 7 times 5 is 35, so you write down the number 5 on top. Now that's not the answer yet, though. We also need to know 2 times what is 4. We need to resolve the denominators as well. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so that would have to be 2. So essentially, if you set it up like the equation, A equals LW, area equals length times width, then there's only one fraction that can go here that will go directly to 35/4 if multiplied across. And so that's all that question is asking right there.